Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Firewall Manager 26 game not launching, crashing, lagging, freezing, low FPS, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to check system requirements. So make sure your PC have all those requirements to play the game. For that, go to Steam and search for the game, and after that go below, and here you can find the system requirements to play the game. So you should make sure that all these requirements are there on your system, and after that try to play the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, next is to run game from the installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Select the game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now you have to double click on the game application. Just double click on it and check if the game is launching or not. If not, then the next solution is to run game as administrator. For that, select the game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility. Here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. After that, launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or even Windows 7, then hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. Next solution is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next method is to update your graphics cards. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search and update your graphics drivers, and after that try to play the game. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link that I have already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, launch Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files, and after verifying, check if the game is launching or not. Next method is to check graphic settings of the game. For that, when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can also crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to allow Firewall Manager 26 through Firewall. For that, go to Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on Firewall network protection, then click on allow an app through Firewall. Now click on change settings, and after that here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If not, click on allow another app, go to the browse section. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game. After selecting the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, then click on OK and then launch the game and see if it helps. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU setting. For that, sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you fix the problem. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, now click on settings. Now after that, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to disable it, and after that launch the game and see if it was working. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in game overlay option. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or you can also search for Visual C++ files on your browser. Now after the website opens, go below Here you have to click on the link and download them. Now after downloading it, open it, and here you have to either install it or repair. So if you get the repair option, you simply need to click on repair option and wait for some time, and after it is repaired successfully, now check if the game is launching or not. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to play the game and see if this resolves the issue. Next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to the Steam. Now click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, then go below and here you can see clear download cache. Beside it is clear cache. Simply click on it. Now after clearing the cache on Steam, now check if you can launch the game. Next method is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So what you need to do is first go to the Windows search for Windows security, click on virus and threat protection, go below, click on manage settings, and here you can see real-time protection is off in my case. If it is enabled, you have to disable it, and after that again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings. You can click on OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. But if it doesn't resolve, you have to go back again and enable the protection once again and then check if everything is working fine. Next method is to install or update DirectX on your system. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Copy and paste it in your browser, or you can also search for DirectX on your browser. Now after the website opens, here you have to click on download option. Now once the file is downloaded, you have to install it. After installing it, again launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. If not, next method is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, then click on advanced, then click on change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on custom size, and here you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size type 24576. Then click on set and then click on OK. Now after that, launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. Now the next method is to run game on graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, search for graphics settings. Now after that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app, then go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. After selecting it, launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Football Manager 26 game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. After uninstalling the game from your PC, now restart your PC once. After restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall Football Manager 26 game on your PC and click on play button and check if it is working or not. So by this way, you can easily fix Football Manager 26 game crashing, lagging, not loading, not launching, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.